Okay, see guys, this is what happened. Normally, if you use the row number, okay, row number. Now, or else you can do one more approach, guys. What is that? There is a function called qualify function. Why this qualify function is used? Qualify function. Okay, there is a function called qualify function. What is the purpose of this qualify function? Is to filter the data. Uh, I mean, when we use Windows function, right, to filter the data. In Windows function. Okay, normally when we use the Windows function. Okay, Windows function. What is a window function I have used here? I use the qualify function, right? I use what the qualify function I have, I mean, row number I have used. Okay. Now let's see, guys, the same thing I'll copy, the same thing I'll copy. I'll get this output again. Okay. Now, if I want to filter, okay, if I want to filter this RN, what I will type instead of writing qualify, okay, qualify RN, okay, RN equals to 1. Just try this. Same thing, right? What is the difference? Instead of using where, if I use where, it won't work. But if I use the qualify function, okay, whatever the, okay, I can filter the data. This is very, very important function, guys. You frequently see in most of the Snowflake project, this qualify function. Why we use qualify function? Whenever we use any window function, what is the window function here? Row number is the window function, okay? Whenever we use any window function, on top of that window function, if you want to filter, okay, you can use the qualify function in Snowflake. Okay, in other databases, you can go with this subquery approach. Is it clear? What is the importance of this one? Window
Yes.
function. Okay.
Yes.
Now, let's see. I have given some ideas, guys. Okay, you just go through this. Qualify row number best approach in the Snowflake. Okay, so qualify we can use method to what we can do. This is a normal method. Okay, so delete from we can take the IDs delete from main table. Okay, I assume that this is the table. In this, I want to where ID. Okay, I'll select the IDs. I'll take row number, which is 1. Okay, this is another approach. Means all the duplicates will be removed. How? Delete from so-and-so table where ID in. Okay, I'm going to delete some IDs. Okay, whatever the output will be given from this. Okay, select ID from where select ID, name, department, salary. I have given the row number. Okay, row number where row number greater than 1 means it will keep only one original one and remaining all IDs will be appear here. Then those IDs get deleted. Okay. So better you just approach the first one, guys. Okay. You can use the qualify function and you can detect the duplicates. Any question from this? Anyone unable to understand this logic? I am deleting the data with respect to IDs. Which IDs? I have given the rank for all the IDs, where rank greater than 1 means it will keep only one record, remaining all IDs will reflect here. And those IDs records will be deleted from the main table. So in this way, we can delete the duplicates. Okay, or else. Okay. And normally, guys, to detect, if you have any table, okay, for example, if there is a EMP table, in simple, what you can do, in simple, you can run the distinct keyword, okay, to check quickly. Okay, you can use the distinct keyword. By using the distinct keyword, you can check. Let me write, for example, in this table, we have a duplicates, right? Which table? What is the table name? Here in this, we have a duplicate, right? Like select star from which table? What is the table name? Okay, this is the table. Okay. In general, to check whether the duplicates are there or not. Okay. So what is the count? How many rows? How many rows?
9
Nine.
rows.
If I use the distinct also, how many should get if there is no any duplicate?
If there is no duplicate, we will get the 9.
9. That's what. Okay. So this is the basic check we can do. Select distinct of star from which table. This is the basic check that we do. Okay. We check the actual table, and when we run the distinct, then what it will give? If the count, okay, if the count matches 9, okay, but this time how many? 5 means how many duplicates are there?
4.
4 duplicates are there. Like that, first we can check. Okay. Like that, in simple way, we can check. Then by writing some qualify function, we can detect those and we can delete. Okay. This is the basic check we do, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, in the same way, we'll try to understand one more concept. Okay. One more concept, and there may be chances to you may face this type of a question. Okay, so you want a recent record, guys. As per the date, you want recent record. What is that recent record? In the duplicates also, you want to keep the recent one and you want to delete the old one. Now tell me, here I have one duplicate, right, with respect to id, name, and amount. In this, what is the recent record?
Second record, 1, 2.
Yeah, 2501 is the okay,
Latest record.
latest record. Okay, so I want to keep latest record and I want to remove. Okay, I think, oh, three hai. I mean, sorry, there is a three records.
Yeah. Third record is the latest.
This is the third record is the latest one. Okay, so I want to keep this type of a latest record and I want to delete the previous ones. Okay, so how can we do means it is also simple, guys. Okay, so we do partition. After doing partition, right, with the row number, okay, select star from which table, so and so table. What is the function? Qualify function. Okay, in this, what I am going to keep, I am going to filter row number over partition by what? Order ID. I mean, partition by order ID. Next, order by update date. See, if I have a update date here, let me create this table. Okay, there is a some table called orders table. I created some orders table. Okay, after create this orders table, I will insert this sample data also. Let's insert this. Data is get inserted 5 rows. Okay. Now in this, what I want only a latest records. Okay. Keep only the latest record per order ID. Okay. Now select star from SFTB SF schema, and in qualify, I am filtering. I want only what? I have all the row numbers. Okay. Just select this and run. You will understand first. Can you see? I have only latest record from this. See, qualify will filter with respect to what? Row number over partition by order ID, order by updated date in descending order. So in descending order means it will get data get sorted and then we'll get the top one record, guys. Whatever this data is there, na, it will get sorted with respect to updated date in descending order. So for example, this rank is and this is one. Okay, like row number it will assign. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's see one more thing. Okay, so there are two tables, guys. Okay, there are two tables. Okay, now one of the frequently asked question is there are two tables: create or replace table, SFTP, SF schema, and table A. Okay, there is a table A. This already I have explained in the one, but in formal I didn't recorded that session. Take table A. What is the values I am inserting? 1, 2, 1, 3, null. What is that? 1. Next I have a 2. Next 1, and then 3. And similarly, another table. Okay, what is that another table? Okay, like table B. In this table, what we have? We have, okay, 1, 2, 2, 4, and null. 1, 2, 2. Please make sure, or else it will get here null. Okay, null. Here also we have one more null. Now I want, okay, if I do inner join, how many records, left join, how many records, right join, how many records, that I want to find. Okay, inner join, right join, left join, everything I want to find out. Okay, so how can we find inner join? How many records? Similarly, if we do left join, how many records? Right join. Okay, and also what is what? Final one, full join. Okay, this is a most frequently asked question, guys. Okay, so if you understand the logic once, right, you can apply this logic to any of this. Okay, normally, what is inner join? What is inner join means?
We'll get the matching records.
Exactly. Inner join will allow only matching. Okay, matching records. Okay. Now just assume that what is a matching means. See, in table A, this is table B. One is mapping how many times? One time. Again, do we have one here? No. So just give one. Now go to two. Two is there, right? How many times it is matching?
2.
2.
Two times. Okay. So plus two. And again, one
1.
one time. So plus 1. And is there 3 is matching?
No.
No. 4 is even null. Okay. Null is not equals to null. Mostly here people will get confused, guys. Okay. So now tell me null is equals to null? Ah?
No.
No. Okay. Null is not equals to null. It won't support. Okay. Null is a we can't able to. Okay. Null we should not equal it to any other value. Okay. It is like a empty one. Okay. Null is not equals to null. Okay. So total how many if I do inner join?
4.
1 plus 2
4.
plus 4. So the answer is 4. Similarly, what is a left join means? What is the concept of left join? Okay. Left join. Common plus common plus
Left.
uncommon left side. Just
Left.
you uncommon. Okay. Uncommon in left. What is the okay? Common how many?
4.
4. How many? Common is 4 plus okay, let me write in normal way. Common is 4 records. Uncommon, how many? From left side, I'm talking about. 2 records,
2
right?
records.
Okay, these two are uncommon. Okay, you don't say that right side also null is there. So it is a common. No, this null is different. This null is different. There is no any null is not equals to null, guys. Okay, we can't able to. So left side common plus, common plus left side uncommon. How many? 2 records. Then our answer will be 6 records.
6.
Similarly, right side. What is the right join? Common plus right side uncommon. Right side uncommon, how many?
2.
2 records. Okay, so 2 records. Total how many? 6 records. And a full join, guys. Full join means what? Common plus left side uncommon plus right side uncommon. So left side, first of all, common how many?
4
4.
4
plus 2 plus 2.
plus left side uncommon plus right side uncommon. Total how many? 8. This is the logic, guys. Okay, most of the students I see in many interviews, so they will get confused here. So well, okay, use this logic mapping type of logic. Okay, I'll show you in practical. Okay, anyway, I have a data here, right? I'll create one table called table A, and I will create another table called table B, and let's insert the data. Let's check. First, I'll create the table A, and let's insert some data, including the null, in the table, and similarly, table B. And inside that data. Okay. Okay. Now okay, how to join these two tables? Table here, right? How to write the logic? First, inner join. Okay, we do the inner join. Tell me inner join syntax, anyone?
Select the star from table A.
Okay, select star from table A, right? I think, what is the table name?
Well,
Table,
table underscore A.
table underscore A.
Inner
Put that
join.
inner. join with the table
Table
B.
B on I
Exactly.
give the
Table B
we need to give the alias name.
on. Yeah, table A can I will give alias as A
Yes,
table. This is as a B table. A dot, what is the column name?
ID.
A dot ID
ID equals
equals
to
to B dot
ID.
ID. Okay. Let's see how many records for inner join. What is the answer, guys? How many records output?
4.
4
Four
rows.
record. So logic is correct. Okay. So whatever the logic we discussed, that is correct. So inner join, four records. Four records. Okay. And similarly, let's copy this one and quickly we'll try to understand what left join. Okay. Left join. So from the left join also, what is the output? Six records. Same as we expected. Why? Left is, I mean, common plus left side uncommon. Similarly, we'll check the right join and also full join. Okay. So what is the change I need to do here? Instead of left, I will give
Right.
right join. Okay. So right join, how many records? Okay. Right join also six records. I mean, so our interpretation, whatever. Okay. Correct. So finally, we see join, full join. Just give the keyword call what? Full join. Okay. Full join. Okay. So full join, how many? What is our expected value?
8.
8. See, 8. I hope everyone clear, right? Whatever they, I mean, whatever you face now, this type of a questions, just write, okay? Take a pen and paper and write it down and explain the logic.
Show me the result tables.
No, just if you explain that, na, I mean, just to show you, make sure I just written.
You ran the query, right?
This is,
Just show me the result. Yeah.
okay. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. One is mapping with one. One is again maps with two is two times. Can I show inner join? Inner join.
Not required. Just for where we
Yes.
got the nulls, just cross it. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Nice, guys. Okay. Now, so mostly you will see this type of a question also, guys. Okay. What is that, I want second highest salary, third highest salary. Okay. This type of a question also we frequently see. So for that purpose, I'm going to create one table. Create or replace table. What is a table? Employee salary table. Okay. In this employee salary table, okay. In this employee, just create one table first. We created one table. Okay. So let's insert some data into this table. Okay. I'll insert some data. Okay. So the first column is what? ID. Second column is employee name. Third column is the department name. And the fourth column is the salary. Okay. Let's select and run it. One second. Okay. Now just check the table, guys. Okay. Its data is available or not. Normally, if I want to find the second highest salary, third highest salary, what I can use as per your knowledge? Select star from, what is the table name? Employee salaries. Okay, just check the data. Okay, anyone have idea how to get the second highest salaries, third highest salaries? This is the table. Okay, how will get second highest salary or third highest salaries? Okay, we can use, we know, right, the functions rank, dense rank. We have functions now, rank and dense rank. We can use those functions in simple way. Okay. I'll explain you what is a rank, dense rank differences also. Before that, I can use simple, right? First of all, rank and dense rank, now. Let me write and explain you. Select, for example, first of all, what is the first column? Okay. First column as a ID. What is that? Employee ID. comma, employee name, and the third one is department, and the fourth one is salary column I want, and the fifth column I will apply what? Dense rank. Okay, dense rank. Based on what? Over what? On top where I need to provide this. Okay, over partition by. Okay, what is that? Based on the wait 1 minute. I want to provide based on okay, in simple guys, order by. Okay, order by salary column in descending order. If I give descending order, what will give? From highest to lowest, it will create the ranks as DNK, dense rank. From which table? From this one, this table. Okay, let's see first of all. What is that? Salary is not, what is that full form? SAL. Oh, not salary. It's a full name, guys. Full
Order
name.
by salary.
Order by salary. Oh, I missed the S. Hmm. Can you see? It is giving what? It is assigning the ranks, right? It is assigning the rank based on salaries. The one who is having highest salary is getting first rank, second rank, third rank. Okay, like that we have. Okay, like that we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in this, which person I want? Third highest salary person I want. Okay, third highest salary. How can I filter the third highest salary person?
Qualify equals.
Yes, I can use the qualify, or else if only qualify will work in the Snowflake. Okay, if not, you can use the what subquery. You can use the subquery and you can write. So can I do qualify? I can use the qualify function. So what is the shortcut for this? I mean, what is the alias name I have given?
DNK.
DNK. DNK equals to 3. Then we'll get the third highest salary person. Okay, there is a Deepa belongs to sales department is the third highest salary. If second highest salary means just keep 2 or something. This is one approach. Okay. And if you don't want this extra column, na, directly what you can do? Select star and you can filter like this. Okay. Means what I mean, if you don't want this extra column, guys, if you don't want this extra column, in simple what you can do, select star from so and so column, SFTB, SF schema, salary. Okay, qualify. I am providing dense rank. Okay, I'm selecting which rank person. Qualify in the filter condition. I'm writing, guys, just to know in the filter condition. I want only employee who is having third highest salary. So what is the advantages with this? It won't create the extra column. It just gives the normal data. What is this?
Partition by we have to only add the
Uh, Partition. Okay, see, this is another requirement actually. Let me show you. Now I want, this is different, okay? If you see this table, right? Department wise, second highest salary I want. For example, I have IT. In IT, who is the second highest salary? In HR, who is the highest salary? In sales department, who is the highest salary? This is another approach, right? Okay. Means, for example, I want the question also, please try to understand. I want department wise, second highest salary. Okay. Second highest salary records. Okay, second highest salary records. Then what should I do? I need to filter this in 2 ways, right? How I can do? I mean, let me show you first. Okay, so same thing, guys. Same thing. Select all the columns. I will select. Okay, up to here, I will select the same thing. Okay, I will now I want dense rank over First I will, okay, now I want department wise now. Since I want department wise, I need to, do some grouping, right? Or partition, right? So I want to first divide this table with respect to which column? With respect to
Department.
department column. Then next step, what I can do within these departments, now I will apply order by which column? Salary column. Salary in which order? Descending order as R and K. Understood? So first, while I'm applying dense rank, okay, based on first I'm partitioning the table with respect to department column, okay, and then I'll get the salary details, okay, from which table this from? Okay, now run this. Now, if you see, we have each department wise. If you try to, okay, see here, each department wise, okay, each, if you see just a HR department, okay, so HR department salaries, dense rank, and IT department salaries, dense rank, okay. Now, in this, I want only top 2% department wise. Then how can I filter this? I can use the qualify
Qualify.
function. Okay. Uh, qualify. Qualify. What is that? D and K equals to 2. Then it will give what? In each department, second highest salary person will be available. Run this. What happened? D and K. R and K. I have given dense rank. Okay, now it will work. See, each department wise, these are all the people who are earning second highest salary. Understood, right? This logic. If you don't want this extra column wise, if you don't want this extra column, what you can do? In simple, what you can write? Select star from which table? This table. Select star from this table. Okay. And qualify. Okay. Qualify. I'll apply this logic equals to second. See, what is the difference between above one and below one? And directly I'm using in a filter, okay? In qualify function, I'm using this one. Same output. Okay. Any questions from this? Any questions from anyone? If you understood this, just let me know, guys. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then next step is what? Okay. Finally, we'll try to understand the some other things. Okay. In the highest salary qualify. Okay. And also you can do this some with some another also, guys. With the CTs. Just to go through this, I'll share. Okay. So that is not much important. And please try to understand. I have given what is the difference between tenth rank, row number, and also rank. Okay. What is this qualify function? Why dense rank for salary? Okay, just go through this one. And which gives a good performance means, so qualify function will give good performance. Excuse me. Okay, let's go to the next question, guys. Okay, so most frequently seen question. Okay, what is that question? There is a table. Okay, if you see this sheet, okay, there is a one table. Okay, the table values are like this, guys. Okay, the table values. First, I have an ID and their values. Okay, so in ID, there are some duplicate IDs. Okay, for example, if you see, one is having how many values?
3.
One order is having, normally we see, right, in one order, we have a multiple items. This is the use case. For example, if you do some order, you will have multiple items, right, in the order.
Yes.
Okay, so instead of each order, I mean, instead of that, you want to group like this: order ID and its values, order ID and its values, order ID and its values. Okay, this is one type of scenario, guys. Okay, this is also very important. Okay, normally, okay, so how can we get this type of thing? How can we aggregate this means? Okay, so let's see. First, I will create the table. Okay, so let's create or replace table. Okay, SFTP, SF schema. What is the table name? ID value. Okay, so in this ID and also values, let's create the table. After creating the table, I'll insert the data. Let's insert some data and let's check the table, guys. Okay, first let's check the table. I'll tell you in different way the answer. Select star from which table? SFTP and this one. Okay, select star from so and so table. Okay, can you see this? This is the values. Now I want output in, I want to aggregate, guys. Okay, I want to aggregate. So if you see this output, guys, if you see this output, where is this? Hmm. Let's copy this output and okay. Now what is the first column I want? What is the first column? ID. And second column, values.
Values.
Okay. So what I want first column as a ID. Wait. Select. What is the first column? ID. Comma. Second column. Values. In values, what is the logic? Okay. So I want there is a one function there, guys. There is a one function called listage. Okay, list aggregation. Okay, see if you feel this, I mean if you see this is a list, okay, it will aggregate based on ID, based on the grouping what we do. Okay, see in listage I will pass what? The column called value. Okay, the column called what is the column name? Val, right? Val. I want to aggregate, okay, whatever I'm passing, okay. So what is a delimiter we need to provide? One, okay, as per my output, what is a delimiter here between each value?
Five.
Pipe, okay, just give the pipe. That's all, guys. That is all, okay. The function, just logic, complete logic is listage function. Listage value, the pipe. As what is the column name we expected? Values. From which table? From which table means what is the table name? ID value, right? ID underscore value. Okay. See here we are using aggregation function. Okay. We need to aggregate means we need to do group by with respect to what?
ID.
ID. Okay. So you have to group by which function? Oh, sorry, which column? ID. Let's see, guys. This is the output we want now. Values is a normal keyword. Okay. This is what we know right now. This is what which we want. Okay. If you want in a proper order, if you want in proper order, order by ID. Okay. Order by ID. So we'll get in a expected order. This is what output we want. Just a simple, guys. Okay. There is a function called listage. Which column I want to list? I want to list the values column. Okay. What is a delimiter? Comma. Okay. For example, if I want, I mean, pipe is the delimiter. If I want comma, what should I do here?
We have to
Yes.
put the comma
Yes.
instead of pipe.
In listage function, instead of this pipe, what we can do, we can give a comma. Now let's run this one. We'll have a, I mean, we'll get output like this. Is it clear? Super. Okay, guys, everyone is responding. Okay. I hope no one will forget about the listage, guys. Very important. Mostly we have seen in many scenarios. Okay. Now we'll see about the one more thing, guys. There is a self join. What is a self join means? Self join or cross join? See, first of all, what is a self-join means? If a table joins with the same table, then we can call it as a self-join. Okay. When we can use means if there is any hierarchical data, like employees, managers, okay. Instead of, okay, I'll directly explain you with some use case. Okay. With some use case. So what is that use case? I'm going to create one table, guys. What is the name of that table? What is the name of that table? Employee self join. Okay, employee self join. So let me create this table. Okay, I created this table. In this table, I'm going to insert some data. Okay, what is this data? Insert into employees table. This is the data. Now try to understand. See, first one is the ID, guys. Second one is the name. Third one is the manager details. Okay, so for Raghu, who is the manager for Raghu? For Raghu, the okay, employee number two is the manager. Who is the number two?
Kumar.
Kumar. So what our understanding? For Raghu, Kumar is the manager. Understood, right? For Sita, who is the manager?
Priya.
Number three.
Priya.
Number three, Priya is the manager. Okay. Now I want output like this, guys. Okay. I want output like this. Means, first I want, okay, employee name. Employee name. Side I want his manager name. Employee manager name. Okay. What is that? Employee manager name. This is what I want. Okay. Employee name and side employee manager name. Side by side I want. How I'll get this output? Are you clear? See, both the information, just here one logical thing is both information, employee name information and his manager information, both are available in the same table. But this order is different. Okay. So in this situation, we can do some inner join, I mean, like a self join, guys. Okay. Let's first insert the data. Did I created this table? I think again, let's create. Okay. After that, insert some data. Okay. So if you see this one, guys, okay, select e.id, e.ename. Okay. E.id, e.ename as employee. What is that? Okay, here I'm taking find each with their manager names. Okay, I'm going to do a left join. Wait, wait. Okay, so the first column employee ID, then second column is employee name, and the third column is manager. Okay, fine. Let's see, guys. Three columns. First one is e dot id, e dot id, and second one is e dot ename, and the third column is M dot ename, okay, manager name. So the first column, can you see? The first column is employee ID, second column is employee name, third column is manager. See E dot EID, E dot ename, and M dot employee name. From which table? From this employee table. Okay, first time I'm considering as a E. Same I'm doing left join with what? Same table, see, same table. But this time I'm considering the table as what? M. But this is important, guys. Joining condition. How I am joining these two tables based on, okay, E dot manager ID should equals to M dot employee ID. Means E dot, okay, E dot employee ID equals to M dot manager ID. So if you join like this now, okay, so first time, okay, see manager ID should match with the, it should match with the
employee ID.
employee ID. So, I mean, it will join in a different format, guys. Okay. Then we'll get what? Then you will get this type of, okay. So if you want to understand this properly, right, you can do in simple way. Let me show you last two questions, guys. Okay. Then we can close this topic. Okay. So if you want to understand this properly, right, do one thing. Instead of all this, just keep star. Okay. Star. Now you run this. Now you run this. Okay. Now let's, okay. Now divide this table in two parts, guys. Okay. In simple. Okay. First one is which table? What is the first table?
Employees.e.
Okay. See, this is considered as a one table. And this table you consider as what? Managers table.
Managers table.
Managers table. Okay. So as per the joining condition is what? E dot manager ID means this manager ID should match with what? M dot
Employee
employee ID. Manage, matching, right?
ID. Yeah.
Now, okay. So in this way, we are joining the table. Now, Kumar is for Kumar, Ravi is the manager. For Priya, Ravi is the manager. For Raghu, Kumar is the manager. It's just a logic, guys. Okay. Manager equals to employee ID. Okay. So we are doing what? Instead of we want only employee name, right? So that what we are doing. In this, we are filtering, okay? I don't want all the columns. I want only employee ID, employee name, and e-name. This is what? Manager name, na? I am considering this as a manager name. Is it clear? What is this self join? Okay. One time if you practice, right, you will understand, guys, clearly. Okay. Now, the last one, find the employees who earn more than their manager. Okay. Can anyone? Try to understand. Okay, I want okay, find employees who earn more than managers. Okay, for example, we know, right, employee is there and managers is there. I want those employees who earns more than their managers. Okay, how can we do that? First, let's create the table. One table called employee salary. Okay, employee salary. And second, just insert some data. Okay, so please check this, guys. Okay, please check this. First column is ID, second column is employee name, third column is salary, fourth column again what? Manager ID. For Kumar, one is the manager. Who is the manager for Kumar?
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes. For Kumar, Ravi is the manager. Okay. Ravi is the manager. Okay. Now let's see. I want only those employees who are earning more than. Okay. So like that, what we can write, select E dot employee name, E dot employee salary, M dot manager name, and okay, M dot is manager name, manager salary from so and so. Okay. So what is the condition I have given? It is joining with SFDB salary on wait. Based on what? Manager ID should equals to employee ID. It
Self
is what I'm
self join.
self join. Up to this, everyone knows, guys. Up to this, everyone knows. Okay. So what is the one? Just I'm applying one filter condition. What? Where employee salary should be greater than
Manager.
manager salary. First, I am joining this two table. I am joining this two table. Okay, this is the two examples for self-join mostly. Okay, run up to this part. You will get all the employees. You will get what? All the employees. Now, I want only, okay, this is employee, employee salary, manager, manager salary. Here, what is the condition? Okay, I think Kumar is earning more than his manager, right? Only Kumar is the person who is earning more than his manager. So what is the filter condition? Where E dot, okay? If you see the code, this table alias name is what? E, okay? And this one alias is what?
M.
Table. This table alias is
M.
M, okay? See, uh, right here, E dot employee name as employee name, E dot salary as employee salary in E table. Similarly, M dot same columns. Okay. But joining based on manager ID should equals to employee ID. After that, I want to filter only E dot salary column should be greater than M dot salary column means this is employee who is earning more than his manager. Run this. Clear, right? Okay. This is also one of the um, frequent question. Okay. And the final one, guys. Okay. So the self-join over find all the pairs of employees in the same department. This is you just try. Okay. So then generate all size colors. Okay. These and all some more examples. So just we'll see what about the cross join and then we'll close this topic, guys. What is the time right now? We have some more points to discuss. Just tell me, should I continue or will continue next time? I mean, like, do you want to practice? We have tomorrow also time. Let me stop this recording.